Hey everyone, it's Brad at My Way. I guess the flash is on auto. Got some light in my eyes there. Anyway, today we're working on our driver, the F150. The back window fell down the other afternoon and the regulator in the door broke, so we're going to change that out. So I did some YouTube research, followed some of the videos there. Really easy. Few minutes work. Just one item that I came across while doing this that wasn't mentioned in the video, so I thought I would throw my 2 bits worth in on this. So when you put the window in, put the regulator in, your regulator and the assembly, and the 4 screws that secure the regulator in, no problem. Everything goes in fine. You know, we pop everything in place. They say access is easiest down here for locking the window into the clamps. So I brought the window down like the videos are suggesting, and I clamped it in there. Thought it looked good, seemed to be in the right position and all. Crank it up, it's going up fine. I get to about 2 inches, maybe 3 inches from being closed, and it seems to get tight. It will go all the way up, it just seems to get tight. So thought about that for a couple minutes and brought it back down and tried to make a light adjustment, and that really didn't work that well. It still seemed tight. So what I did was I put the window up and found my access for the clamps, which is actually really easy, right through this hole and this hole over here. So these 2 screws in there, the brass colored head in there, those are the clamps for the window on the regulator assembly. So I just loosened those, and basically I could hear the window move as I loosened them, and basically just put the window regulator up as tight as I could get it, and back down just a smidge and back up again just to set the window in the right location. And then I got in here and tightened these up, and now when I put the window down and back up, goes up and down smoothly. So I say that's just a fine adjustment for when you have the window in the fully lifted position, that you would take and loosen the 2 screws in here and just allow the window to set itself in place and retighten those. So that's my 2 bits. And my puppy Barry, he seems a bit interested as usual. Okay, so thanks. Again, Brad at My Way, and we're just working on personal vehicles tonight. So have a good one. Thanks a lot. Bye. Don't forget to share and like, and please subscribe. Have a good day, everyone. Okay, we're back for a moment. So one more thing I noticed on this Dorman cable, or Dorman regulator, sorry. So we've got the little tab here that's supposed to push on through this hole. So it does when you have the window part way down and there's no tension on that cable. You can get that in there, no problem. But when I put my window up tightly, now I got so much tension on that cable that I cannot get that to fit in there. So I don't know if that's a Dorman part problem or what. The factory one wasn't like that, I don't think. It had a little tab in there, a little bit different than that one, but yeah, this cable is like really stretched tight right there, really tight. Anyway, hopefully that lasts. Window seems to work just great, as you can see. Problems closes up nicely now. Okay, well, again, another 2 bits worth. Thanks.